Hey guys, today we'll be doing Chupa Chups, this time washing machine destruction. This washing machine's been like a decade of leakage and couldn't fix the actually the door seat but control couldn't be fixed. Actually, this is the but this washing machine can't be fixed. Which made it down to error -90. That how that washing machine worked is they tried to fix the door seal, and the door seal's not fixable because it couldn't clean because it wasn't detonating. They tried to put on drum clean, but it's not cleaning the drum. They tried Calgon, but it's not working so far. The Hisense washing machine cleaner, it's not working so far still. I think I decided to put in a lot of probably more Dettol, but unfortunately they gave up and got a new one instead, so this one's getting destroyed. Probably it's because of the dirtiest drum that can't, because of it not be cleaned. Again. Should throw some bricks into this washing machine. Open the door. I got some sort of. I'm trying to get Jakeman's counterweight. I want to wire the washing machine up, so not the other words. Wired in. Let's hope the best to smash. Hopefully, it's actually like a Chupa Chups going. Like, great one. Time. There. It sounds a bit like woo. Get your ears because it was so nice. Oh, Bushman's bound to be. I never destroyed a washing machine like this before. Chupa Chups, hopefully it can go well. 3, 2, 1. Hopefully, oh my god. Actually, so I get the washing machine done. once a week. Okay, it's the 10th one done. It's very quiet, this washing machine. You need to. Okay, Jakeman's biased out. But then with the Jakeman's counter again. Anyway, the PCB just fell. Cut out. Yet the PCB's not coming on. Attempt. Oh! You can save up a lot, man. Oh, jeez. That washing machine's getting so far destroyed that it's not planned. So, okay, so it's attempt 2 done. Plug that washing machine back in. Oh, hopefully that could go again. It's not like disintegrated as it was once. No, it's disintegrated as well, but it is disintegrated machine. Attempt 3. Hopefully that can go. Yeah, it's going as planned. So, okay, it's attempt 3 gone. The top's broken off. It fell off the suspension thing. The door seal just a bit so far. And the door interlocks are the door interlocks probably gone. Split it. It's split in half. And I guess the door interlocks split in half. Okay, so one more to it at the end. At the end, hopefully. At the end! At the end! At the end. Hopefully, put your washing machine back in. Okay. Attempt 4. It's done. Hopefully, Tip 5, hopefully gone well. Hopefully, plug it back in, so yeah, hopefully it works. Plug that washing machine back in and hopefully it works. Turn it off now. You turn the washing machine off. Move this. Turn this on now. And pick up this. So, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.